Okay, if you have unscrewed your Godox trigger but you still can't take it out of the body, then you have to screw it again, and then you will find a piece of plastic over here. You gotta lift it up, you see, and unscrew it, and you're good to go. This is how the locking mechanism work of Godox triggers and flashes. So there's a pin here. When you screw it, it will gradually appear. See that? And then it will lock into this hole here on the camera body. Here we have the Fujifilm X-T2. Okay, they commonly have the same locking mechanism, which I have here is the X Pro for Fujifilm. This is the X1 TT600 V600 VA60 Mark II. Like I said before, this is the locking mechanism. So you gotta find that piece of plastic and lift it up. You see that? There you go. Whatever way you have to do, just you have to lift it up. So, oh, device too hot. the flash, my camera's flash is turned off. Oh, there we go again. Okay, lift it up again. See that? See the pin is moving? Then you're good to go. We have another unique device, which is the X2T. You have to twist and the locking will go like this. See, hear the click. Same thing, but just a little twist, not like screwing all the way like the other four. Okay. Another interesting fact is this is the Fujifilm EF20, but it doesn't have the locking pin. Even when it's an authentic flash, it doesn't have the locking pin into this hole. Okay, good luck with that.